There we go.
On the other side.
Let me see the disc first.
You make that work?
Not going yet.
I'm not taking you away. You're totally gonna regret this. You know? Yes, I am.
Have you done anything else?
Starting to go that way now. Oh, yeah, it goes almost.
Almost.
Hanging by a couple of threads in there.
Alright, G.
I don't pop it against the wall. You can get pretty close, but it's not that bounce off. John!
Yeah, it broke.
Somebody chunk it down the fairway. Hold on, I'm gonna. I don't want to throw it now. It's gonna break as soon as we throw it. Where's Jared go?
Yeah.
Jared's project. Jared's project. Jared's project. Well, I'm gonna break it one more. Is that alright? And then we just throw half of it. Make one into two. I could just. And then you can have your own disco.
Did it not break?
No, it's the wrong side.
Let Jerry have it.
Holy fuck. You have to throw it from the sideways. Yeah. Shit.
Not yet.
They want to. Could just break it and then have a throwing contest. If you want to. Why not?
Got it. You want to try and get the wall in case if you get a break action.
No break action.
Oh, but it's close.
Yeah, that is. That's what she said. I want to break it right there and then throw half of it. Oh, that might not break. Oh, yeah, well. Because that end broke. I don't think it's not going to break. Shit.
I hope I got that.
It's good as new. Really funny if just
Yeah. There it goes.